Imagine you have a treasure chest, and you want to keep track of how many gold coins you have. You can use a small box next to the treasure chest to write down the number of coins you have. This small box is like a variable. So, let's say you start with 10 gold coins. You write 10 in the small box. Now, every time you find or spend a coin, you update the number in the box. If you find 2 more coins, you add them to the number in the box, making it 12. If you spend 1 coin, you subtract 1, making it 11. So, the small box helps you keep track of how many gold coins you have at any time. It's like a note that reminds you of the number of coins in your treasure chest. That's what a variable does in UiPath. It helps keep track of important information like numbers or values to use later in a task or process.